Good evening, dear guests and my fellow members. I'm Owen Lin. It's my pleasure to deliver my C3 speech today. This time, I'd like to talk about how I completed my graduate study in 5 years, within which I got my master and my PhD degree. I will divide it into 4 parts of tonight's presentation, including my preparing, discussion, thinking phases, and a conclusion. The first is preparing. Before you take part in the graduate examination, you need to ask why you go to graduate school, not for your parents or your girlfriend. It's because you have to spend at least 2 years for a master degree, and maybe another 5 years for a PhD program. When you are sure that you have a strong desire to achieve this goal, study hard and prepare for entrance examination. If you never give up, you will definitely succeed. If you are successfully admitted to graduate school, congratulations. You can further listen to my following speech. According to my experience, I really like medical studies, including biology and immunology. So I tell myself, I must go to graduate school or institute to do something for my beloved animals and human beings. Second, I'd like to talk about discussion phase. I heard that many graduate students only put their noses on greenstone. If you discuss with your advisor once per week, per month, or per semester, you will discover that you waste a lot of time and money to do something not beneficial at all. You need to discuss with your advisor as frequently as possible. If you don't want to spend more than 2 years in your graduate study, based on my experience, I discussed with my advisor 1 to 3 times per week. When we finish our discussion, my advisor always asks me, "Don't you want to know the answer tonight?" My answer always is, "Yes, I want to know." So I continue to find out the answer immediately. For example, I had an attempt to research the feline coronavirus isolation for more than 3 years. I tried and failed again and again. Finally, I successfully isolated the first Taiwanese feline coronavirus. We not only discussion about study, but also family and friendship. So she is also one of the best friend in my life. Third, let's talk about the thinking. After you study hard and discussing with your advisors, that's still not enough. You need to think after you read some paper or get some advice from your advisor. There are not always the right answer. You could attempt to criticize everything. In addition, if you never think how to take advantage of your limited time, you will waste a lot in your life. In my experience, I always plan the schedule of the next few days. What should I do? And what could I do? Aside from my busy research life, I also can chat, go out with my friends, and join TN. In conclusion, hard preparing, discussion, and thinking everything are useful not only in your graduate study but also in your life. When I want to get admitted to PhD program, my advisor told me, if you wish something would happen, then you will be empowered to achieve it, because there is no limitation for human's potential, which will get larger proportional to pressure. I wish all of you can get your master or PhD degree easily and successfully in the future. TME.